Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming to you today with a video with some Happy Mail that I received. This was a total surprise for me, and this comes from Clarissa, who is Cara Mia's Corner here on YouTube, and she surprised me with some Happy Mail. So let's dive right in and see what it is. I haven't opened it. I wanted to be surprised on air. Then I don't want to cut it up, so let's be a little careful at how you open this. Oh my goodness. All right, I think I got it. Oh my goodness. I see something that I already like. Oh. Wow, look at this. Oh my goodness. So, oh gosh. So it's a little card here. So let's look at that with the little, I hope I'm in camera here, with the little skull. Super cute. Okay, first off, oh, look at this. Adorable card. You guys can see that says Riches Brew, Eye of Newt and Toe of Frogs, Wool of Bats and Hair of Dog. All puffed up, cute little witch. Thank you, Clarissa. This is so cute. She said, I hope you like the little crafty treats. Oh my goodness. And it looks like she made this with one of Terry's Place design kits. So super cute. Thank you so much. So I got some Kit Kats that look like they're peach flavored and mint. I love mint and chocolate. Thank you, Clarissa. Let's look and see what's under these little goodies here. All right, so she gave me this cute little scary house, haunted house with the little stamps. How cute are those? Oh, this will be perfect for a smaller card, which I like making, especially at Halloween because I make so many Halloween cards. Thank you so much. OMG, I got me some Cricut Joy pins. And I don't have very many for my Cricut Joy. So we have red, blue, and red. Black, blue, and red. Oh, nice. And then insert cards for the Cricut Joy. And this is a 10 cards with envelopes, rainbow scales. Oh, and it has some holographic in here. I've never had. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm loving this. And I'm gonna open it so I can check it out. Oh wow, that is really pretty. Are you guys seeing this? And then it has the card base and the envelopes. Oh man. Clarissa, you're too sweet. Oh, I'm kind of blown away here already. These items, so super nice. And then this Cricut Joy card mat for custom cards in minutes. Uh-oh. And I don't have one of these. How perfect is this? Okay, I can read it later. So you got the Cricut card mat. Oh man, that's so sweet. And then an envelope. It looks like a handmade envelope with some really pretty paper with a, what is this thing called? I'm so excited I can't even think of the name of this. Peacock. Looks like a peacock. So let's open this up. Oh, wow. Sending you lots of love. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. And then you open it up. Hi, Felicia. Hope this happy mail brings you a smile. Hugs. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Look at that trim. Then it, oh, this is gorgeous. And then oh, this is so pretty. God, I'm just like looking at it without talking because I'm all into it. I'm sorry. And then she gave me a letter, and I'll read that later. I won't keep you guys. And then this cute little Disney postcard. Oh, I'll send this to my little nephew. He'll love this. With this pocket here and this vellum piece that has this is beautiful. Straight up beautiful. I'll be able to reuse this for sure. Oh, this is so nice. Clarissa, I really like this. Okay, guys. That's my happy mail, and I'm just kind of blown away. Not only because I'm surprised, but of the generosity here. So, anyway, here's all the little items. I'm sorry I may hit the camera there. And, Cricket Joy card set. And candy. Candy. And this cute little Halloween card, which I will be probably taking to work tomorrow and post it on my desk so I can look at it. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much, Clarissa. I am actually so touched that you thought of me and sent me all these wonderful items. I really appreciate it. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.